I'm back with the rack, back with the rack, back with the rack. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. I haven't done a Coco's Closet or Closet confessional in literal years, but with the year ending and a message heavy on my heart, it was time I got back to my roots. It's about that time to start setting New Year's resolutions, and I'm sure we all have goals focused on our love lives, our health, and our finances. Here on this channel, we're always talking love, a good beat, and a fabulous outfit, and the goal has always been to help women master effortless and affordable style. Y'all know the Coco Gawdess mantra is that style should be both two things, effortless and affordable. It's no secret that I have a lot of clothing, I'm blessed, and we've been doing a lot of haulage this year on Fashion Friday. So one of my main New Year's resolutions for this year, for 2019, is to spend smart and to slay effortlessly and consistently. We live in a world where, especially amongst YouTubers and bloggers, having more is key and necessary. We are living in excess and we are filling our respective voids with stuff that it is impossible for one person to use all of. My word for 2019 is overflow. And in order for me to live in the overflow, I need to get rid of the excess and give myself access to the resources that I already have that can push me further in the areas that I want to focus on. So, that being said, introducing Coco's Closet Cash Challenge. A cache is a collection of items of the same type stored in a hidden or inaccessible place. Kinda like stuffed drawers or a stuffed closet. So in this 31-day challenge that I hope you will take with me, we are going to clear the cache. For the month of January, I am challenging myself to not buy a single fashion item, including shoes and all clothing and outerwear. I am only allowed to buy fabric, and even that is limited to orders placed for Custom by Coco. But we're not going to keep it that simple because that would be too easy. I'm also challenging myself to wear different clothing items each day without repeating a single clothing item in the 31-day period. Underwear excluded, of course. I have so many pieces in my closet that have tags on them or haven't been worn in forever just because I literally have not gotten to them yet. At the end of the 31-day period, I should have a better idea of what my true style is and which pieces would be better off donated or given away. Every day I'll post a picture of my outfit on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me at the Coco Gawdess. There'll also be an accompanying blog post listing all outfit details and links to the original or similar pieces. In the spirit of transparency, I also want to share some of the inspiration behind the pieces and the stories they carry. At the end of each week, I'll post a weekly slay video right here on my YouTube channel with all of the outfits so that you can get a little outfit inspo. Now, if you're like myself and you are living in the excess, I encourage you to join this Coco's Closet Cash Challenge and start living in the overflow. Sometimes we get so carried away with having more or having the latest and greatest, we forget how dope what we already have, both inside and out, can really be. After all, style isn't what you wear, it's how you wear it. So for 2019, get rid of the excess and give yourself access to effortless and affordable style. To join the challenge starting January 1st, simply post your looks on Instagram and use the hashtag Coco's Closet Cash. You can post them as a post on your Instagram feed or in your Instagram stories. If your profile is public, I'll see it. You can also tag me at the Coco Gawdess to make sure that I see it. I'll be sharing the looks on my Insta stories throughout the month, and I might even recreate a few of them. Comment down below and let me know if you'll be joining the challenge. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can see the daily posts and get an idea of my inspiration and why I chose certain pieces and the stories they carry. And also subscribe to me here on YouTube so that every week you can keep up with the weekly outfits and the weekly slays and see the different events that I wear them to. 31 days, 31 slays, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you do join this Coco's Closet Cash Challenge. I will see you next time. Bye.